People are more concerned now in the United States about reopening schools than almost any other factor. I heard Bill Gates the other day saying he thought it would be safe to reopen schools in fall 2021. Now, you've come out with a public plan for the steps that need to be taken. Want to sort of give us a broad outline and what, if anything, you think can be done for this fall?
Well, first and foremost, the single most important thing to get our schools to be able to open is to control the infection in the community. If you have explosive spread, as you have now in Phoenix and parts of Texas, Florida, it's not going to be possible to open. Of course, you can open, but the real hard part is to stay open. And once you have a lot of cases in a school, you're going to have to slam back shut. So the most important thing all of us can do is work together and stay apart. Wear a mask, wash your hands, watch your distance. The 3 Ws can allow us to bring the infections down. And governments, where there are lots of cases, have to shut bars and indoor dining because those are major propagation points for the virus. Once it's down to a lower level, it's certainly possible and really important for schools to reopen if at all possible. That means shielding the most vulnerable. Teachers and students with underlying conditions are going to need to continue to tele-school. Rearranging how things work in schools so there aren't as many commonly touched substances. Keeping students apart and in pods or cohorts so that if there is one case, you don't have to shut the whole school. You can quarantine one small class or a grade. And universal masking, really important. But none of those things in and of themselves is going to ensure that there are no cases. So every school needs to have a protocol and be prepared for when there are cases so they can take appropriate action and minimize the loss of education. Schools are important not just for education. They're important for social and economic development. They're important so parents can get to work. They're important so that kids can get health care and nutrition and mental health services. So we all want the schools to open. The key is to open them in a way that they can stay open.